Good evening, and in tonight's Thundering Thursday, though I know it's probably not Thursday when you're watching this, we're looking at the new all-plastic German Grenadier starter army from Warlord. So, as you see, we get quite a lot in it, including the new all-plastic Pak 40 anti-tank gun and the new all-plastic heavy weapon platoon. So, let's get the shrink wrap off and let's get a look inside, shall we? And welcome back. So, I got these from my friends at A New Model Army, who have it on sale with a whopping 20% discount. So, let's see what we get inside. Right, these appear to be the sprues for the anti-tank gun crew and the weapon team, so we'll have a close look at those soon. Obviously bases, and because it's got vehicles, vehicle smoke. And then we have Pak 40 and two sprues for the heavy weapon platoon. So let's have a look. So obviously this is the Panzer 4. Is that? Let's have a close look, shall we? Oh. Yes, it's the Panzer 4 with 8 road wheels. And the Schutzen with a couple of different weapon options. A wonderful little tank. And then of course we get the 251 along with the sprue to convert it to the 2518 Stummel. Excuse me. So, unlike the 250 Stummel, this retains some transport capacity, which makes it great for moving those small teams around. And then we get 6 of the Grenadier sprues, which I believe I've already reviewed, so I'll stick a link to that in the description. And of course, bases, transfers. Thank you, Morella. Looks like you're the only person involved in putting this little bundle together. So, and of course, the instructions. So, okay, now what you all came here for. First of all, let's have a look at the crew sprue. So you get 4 of these, total of 16 crew. So we get a squatting, a kneeling, and then 2 standing with a couple of shells, arms in mainly with open hands, and of course the rangefinder, some belt kit, a number of heads, all helmeted, 1 poster boy and 1 officer, and then stuff for the open hands, well, missing hands should I say, and some more belt kit. So great little addition, especially as all of these are fully compatible with the, by the looks of it, the Grenadier and the Veteran or Rattenkrieg, and possibly even as they stand with the current Africa Corps models as well. So I can see these being included in quite a few new sets. Obviously they're also compatible with the SS apparently, but I haven't had a look at those yet. And on to the support weapon. So as you can see, obviously we get the Panzershrek, which is of course for shrekking panzers, and the 81mm mortar with bipod and open shell case. We also get a closed shell case, in fact a couple of closed shell cases. And then we get, what is interesting is that we get both the MG 36 is that, and the MG 42, along with two bipods, one of which is set higher than the other. So with the 2 sprues and 12 crew, you've actually got quite a few options. Excuse the Wookiees. Yeah, we actually get quite a formidable support weapon platoon with the option of 4 machine guns, 2 mortars and 2 Panzershrek, if you want to use some extra bodies from whichever army you're putting them into. And on to the Pak 40 itself. So there's not really much to say. It's a Pak 40. It looks like it's going to go together a lot better than the metal version did. So we get 3 ammo boxes, one of which is open, and then we get a handful of spent cases, 3 shells waiting to be loaded, and then 4 of the tubes. These look to be the corrugated tubes rather than the straw tubes, which we'll often see in artwork and photos from the period. So there's not really much to say except it's very, very clean cast, as we've come to expect from Warlord, and I believe this is actually produced for them by Renada. So wonderful. So we'll see you all soon.